Hello, good morning everyone. Today is a beautiful day to harvest our corn. So, let's go and check Uncle what he's doing so we will learn from him. So, this is what we're doing, guys. So, I was late coming over the farm and so this is what they're doing. So, let's go and check more. Pop! And also my mahogany are growing. Ta-dang! They're big already. So after this corn, guys, we're going to plant mungus again and some other veggies. The reason why we put more mungus, it's because we can stock that for a long period of time. And look, may mahogany, guys, and more kutas, guys. So there.